Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Smart Deadbolt. Number 5, Slosh Connect Smart Deadbolt with camera law trim in bright brass. For key app compatibility, use the Zigbee certified Slosh Connect Smart Deadbolt. Lock and unlock from anywhere via your smartphone and enjoy hands-free voice control when paired with an Alexa. Use the fingerprint-resistant touchscreen to share up to 30 access codes with trusted friends and family. Easy to install with just a screwdriver. Unique snap and stay technology snaps the deadbolt onto the door. Guaranteed to fit standard doors, 1 to 3/8 inch to 1 to 3/4 inch door thickness and 2 to 3/8 inch or 2 to 3/4 inch backset. Number 4, Slosh Z-Wave Connect Sensory Touchscreen Deadbolt with built-in alarm. Works with Alexa for voice control, hub required, Alexa device and hub sold separately. Z-Wave technology connects to your home automation system and lets you lock or unlock your door remotely via the web or smartphone. 3 alert modes: activity, tamper and forced entry, let you know when someone is coming or going and communicate potential security threats. ANSI Grade 1, delivered the highest level of durability and security at the main points of entry and backset is universal. Fingerprint-resistant touchscreen protects against fingerprints and smudges and ensures wear patterns remain undetectable. Number 3, Quickset Smart Code 914 Keypad Smart Lock, Amazon Key Edition. Get keyless entry and monitor your door with Amazon Key. Optional in-home delivery is also available. Easily control who has the access to your home. Create up to 30 keypad codes for family members, friends, and your dog walker. Smart Key Security, designed to protect against break-ins and keep your family safe. Replaces standard deadbolt, not compatible with interconnected lock sets. Lifetime mechanical and finish warranty, 1-year electronics warranty. Number 2, Slosh BE365 Cam 619 Camelot Keypad Deadbolt, Satin Nickel. For exterior doors, pair with a hall and closet knob or lever when replacing a deadbolt and keyed knob on your door. Professional-grade security with the biggest adjustable bolt available for increased resistance to kick-ins. Preset, unique, 6-digit programming code, 2 preset unique 4-digit user codes, 19 code capacity. Weather-resistant, silicone-coated keypad saw numbers don't wear off. Backlit, simple keypad layout is easy to see and use, even for little hands. Number 1, Slosh Connect Camera Law Touchscreen Deadbolt with built-in alarm. Z-Wave technology connects to your home automation system and lets you lock or unlock your door remotely via the web or smartphone. 3 alert modes: activity, tamper and forced entry, let you know when someone is coming or going and communicate potential security threats. ANSI Grade 1 delivered the highest level of durability and security at the main points of entry. Fingerprint-resistant touchscreen protects against fingerprints and smudges and ensures wear patterns remain undetectable. Easily control who has the access to your home. Memory for up to 30 different access codes means everyone can have their own number.